If you're affiliate marketing online, then you may have wondered a few things. First off, do big companies like Best Buy, Zappos, PayPal, phone companies, and travel agencies have affiliate programs? Next, can you as a marketer promote their offers and make commissions easily? The answer to both of these questions is an astounding yes. As a matter of fact, some of the biggest and most lucrative companies worldwide operate on a platform that's been around for a long time. This affiliate marketing platform is known as CJ Affiliate, and it's by far one of the best around. Now, you know the network. You know just a few companies that are on there, but how do you get started? Well, that's exactly what I wanted to help you with today. In this detailed course, you'll learn the absolute essentials for CJ Affiliate marketing and how to go about successfully doing it. From getting started, finding suitable offers for your niche or business, all the way to marketing them properly and staying within the lines. It's all covered in this course. Regardless of if you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or not, you can make use of the information inside. Just grab your copy using the button on the page below.